here this morning to learn how we can penetrate that market of people who are still not into e-commerce, who still want that experience, and how we can give it to them.
Thank you so much. We are delighted to be here, and we are more than happy to host all of you today. So we are a full-service e-commerce and consulting firm, and we literally exist to just help African businesses harness the power of the internet and scale.
We are known for our fastest internet speeds.
With a well-functioning digital economy, Kenya can achieve economic growth, reduce poverty, and ensure all citizens have the basic needs.
E-commerce is still growing in Africa, and it offers the opportunity for many of us to be able to create more jobs.
Today, e-commerce is about 1% of retail here in Kenya.
Our micro enterprises need to begin to move upwards. They need to begin to grow.
And so even if you think e-commerce is small, as a small opportunity today, you think, Sam, 1% of retail is small, I'm not interested in that, right? The market's offline. True, but when the wave gets big, it's going to be too late.
There is no longer Africa and international. We have to compete and fund and present and do everything else as well as all the other international players.
We're buying from Amazon. How about us selling our local products on Amazon?
For us, it's very important to ensure that Kenyan manufacturers are not missing the wave. They're not getting overrun by global manufacturers coming in and saying, we understand the potential of e-commerce and we're just going to take over and beat these Kenyan guys at their own game.
Buy Kenya, Build Kenya is a national strategy paper whereby it is trying to push for us to consume what is locally manufactured.
Having knowledge and information is a powerful tool.
I think there's a lot of value in terms of other cultures appreciating what we have from Kenya.
Isn't this a testament of how valuable such conversations are? Thank you so much, all of you, for staying up to now.